Hi there. So I get a lot of questions from the parents whose kids are really into drawing anime. What should I buy them as a birthday present? So this is something I really recommend to buy. So these are called Copic markers. So in the Copic markers has right now has two different types, Copic Chow and Copic Sketch. So the difference between these two are this is smaller ink. I'm sorry, this is a more holds a smaller, less ink, and this holds more ink. And this sketch has more variety of colors than Chow. So if I can show you, maybe I can just move. Yeah, so you can see that obviously this is sketch and this is Chow. So yes, the amount of the ink that you can hold is very, very different. For these Copic markers, you can buy the whole set or you can buy individual pens. So you can buy for example, this Copic Chow 24 colors, and maybe you need more different colors. You can buy a sketch or you can buy Chow but different colors. So it's up to you. And what I recommend for the first beginners, I would just buy the Copic Chow 24 colors. This is exactly what I bought when I start coloring. I like it because it has almost all the colors that you or any artist wants to use. So the skin colors and the blue, green, dark colors like blue, red, brown, black, and the green. So it covers almost all kinds of all sorts of art that you want to make. So I'm very happy with this Copic Chow 24, and I put the link in my description. So if you're interested, you can check the link. And yeah, it's not really a cheap product, I'm telling you, but it's a really high quality, and the colors are just so beautiful. And I think I know that it's really worth it. So yeah, check it out. And on top of the Copic markers, these are three pens necessary to use. It's the Copic Multiliner, and this is 0.05. And this is something that maybe I will show you. So this is my one of the drawings, and you can see that I put the outline with the black ink. So I usually draw with a pencil, overdraw the outline with the liner. I really like it because this is again, it's really, because it's really skinny, but it actually works really well for the small details art. You can choose thicker pen as well, but my favorite is 0.05. And I'm going to show you a couple of the examples of my Copic marker coloring. So this is done with Copic markers, and this is also done with Copic markers, and you can see that you can make a really nice blend in this markers with these markers. So I'm very happy with this. Yeah, and also this number 0, this is the colorless. It's just basically pure alcohol, but this is really important to have for the markers. So once you buy the Copic markers, please also buy number 0. This is mandatory. The reason why is that I can show you, you can make a really nice blend. Let's say I'm adding some pink right here, and then you're adding a purple here. And then you're adding the number 0 to blend together, just like watercolors. You want to blend the colors, so use number 0 to blend. For me, I bought the number 0 but Copic sketch, because I knew I'm gonna use it a lot. So yeah, as I said before, you can buy sketch or you can buy Chow with number 0. And this is a whiteout pen made by Mitsubishi, and this is, I use it when I want to add some highlight in the highlight to the eyes. So for instance, this is finished one, but you can see that I have some whites, and these are I added with this white pen. So it makes a huge difference once you have this white sparks, into the drawing. So I also recommend to buy this. And also, you might want to buy a paper for Copic markers. The reason is this is just a normal copy paper, but you notice that the markers are based on oil alcohol. So you just color, but you can see that the colors kind of go through, and it's not as beautiful. You cannot really merge as beautiful as the Copic paper. So when I say Copic paper is, let me just show you. I use a Kent paper, A4, 210 grams. So this is a really, really thick and smooth paper compared to the copy paper. So here you go. If you can see that the surface is super, super smooth, and it has a how to say, thickness compared to this is the copy paper, normal paper. So you can see that this is much thicker, smoother, and high quality than normal copy paper. You can also buy Bristol. That's okay. If you could not find a Kent paper, you can buy a Bristol. But yeah, you'll be very happy with this. Yeah, so as a conclusion, this is I really recommend for the birthday gift. Copic trowel 24, it's good enough for the beginners. I mean, if you can buy 36, there's another more sets, that's fine too, but it's not very cheap. So 24 is a really good start. And outliner number 0, ink, the white ink, and the paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things will be a perfect birthday gift for your children, I think. So I hope this video helps, and until next time, mata ne, bye bye.